Ikasi tells kimi imina istory sami, ugreen istory sami ngoba ngiphume ekasi, yabo. So yonke into engiyenzayo, yonke into engiyishoyo engomeni zami, I make sure ukuthi it represents ikasi because kula ngiphuma khona, yabo. I'm the product of the hood, yabo. So ngispread message to zonke intwana zasekasi out there that noma uphume ekasi akusho ukuthi angeke uphumelele, yabo. So chubeka uphushe, chubeka uhasile, chubeka ulokuzama, chubeka uthathe nekhiya uloku uzama ukuvula iminyango. One day khona umnyango we1 uzovuleka, yabo. So yeah, story sasekasi nje upbringing yami ukuthi ngubani, ngibuyaphi nyaphi, yabo. Because you know it's that kasi dream, yabo. Qeda uplift ilokishi, then esibhaso sibona jumpers uzuyacava sibayenzela ifili. Danko. Yeah, things amancanda. Yanyusa volume. Okay, cool. Yeah, let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Shy 16 kuvuke nabaphansi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Let me say a prayer ngithandazela ikasi. Okay, cool. Call my niggas up, ngiyenzela ipad. Now you know that's lit. I had the one smoke and back I mean cheese. Ngiphume ekasi, that's it. Abanye abana store we were raised like this. Let me say a prayer for Ikas lab. I hope you make it out, Donna Gas lab. I hope nobody dies, die Gas lab. I hope Aguna Jala die Gas lab. Oye Kaya lam. Pumeli high, so Kaya lam. Let me say a prayer, Tanda Zelikas. SAPC5, Jala Ngeringas. Jala Ngeringas. Let me say a prayer for Ikas lab.